So this is a piece of cinnamon toast, and usually I would not eat this in the morning until after all of this, but I need to get something on my stomach because I am cramping right now and I need to get some medicine in me. So that's what this is about. I'm gonna eat this, and that. This is green juice, this is water, this is lemon water. We stay hydrated on our period for sure. So I just want to come and talk to you all about something. So basically, I've been thinking about cutting my hair again. I said that I was gonna let my hair grow out, and I hate to be one of those people that's like go back on what they say, but at the same time I'm also trying to give myself grace and permission to change my mind because I'm allowed to. And I don't want to ever be so rigid in myself and in my ways that I'm beating myself up off of changing my mind. So I'm feeling kind of torn between cutting my hair again because I do want to cut it again and I do want to go back blonde. But at the same time, it's like I'm hearing all these voices in my head asking me like, are you growing your hair out? And I'm like, yeah. And it's like I'm afraid of what I'm going to hear from other people. And the crazy thing is, the first time I cut my hair, I was not thinking like this at all. So I feel really like silly because now I've gotten caught up in what other people are saying to me to the point where I'm like, and I never want to be like that. I always want to do what's in my heart, do what's best for me, do what I know is going to fill my soul and make me happy. So I just kind of wanted to come and talk to y'all about that and encourage y'all, if y'all have a decision that y'all are trying to make, take some time, meditate on it, journal about it. I've taken a few days to think about it. I've kind of talked it out a little bit. I've said my limiting thoughts out loud and been like, girl, that's silly. I've also gotten wrapped up in thinking like, oh my gosh, if I cut my hair, am I gonna regret this? I'm gonna have to start all over. And I've always been the type of person that's like, if you cut your hair, it'll grow back, because that's the truth, it will. And the other thing is that hair is dead, and I never want to be the person I never want to be the person that my hair has a chokehold on me. I feel like I don't even have enough to have a chokehold. My hair ain't long enough to grip around my neck. How can it choke me, right? Anyways, yeah, I'm also getting caught up in thinking like my hair is wrapped up in my femininity. Like I'm looking at pictures of me with those locks and I'm like, oh my gosh, I look so pretty, so nice and so feminine. But honestly, is it the locks or is it my energy? Is it the locks or is it my energy? Because I know that that's a limiting belief, because I know I can still look very pretty and feminine with a short hair. I have done it. I've done it. And honestly, I'm just tired of going around looking like this. I want to have my hair short, so when I snatch this bonnet off or do-rag or whatever, honey, I don't have to do anything. Or what I do have to do is like I have so many thoughts running through my head on a daily basis that how am I going to do my hair? What am I going to do to my hair? It's not really one that I want to think about. The most I want to think about when it comes to my hair is like, okay, what day am I going to freshen up the color? What day am I going to freshen up the bleach? Am I finna get in this bathroom and cut it today? I don't want to be taking time to detangle. I don't want to take time to, oh, you gotta sit and baby your hair. I feel like I'm really past those stages. Like my family and I were talking the other day about how long we've been natural, and I think my sister was like, I've been natural 8 years. And I was like, that sounds about right. I've done it all, y'all. I've worn protective styles. I've worn wigs. I've had the high puff. I've had the big curly hair. I've had to spend hours in a week trying to detangle, deep condition, and have a protective style. I've done it all. I've literally done it all. And I feel like I tricked myself thinking that I was ready to do it again, talking about I'm ready to grow my hair out. I really don't think I was. I honestly don't think I was. I don't know if I ever will be, and that's okay. Like, I have this documentation to say that shit, I may change my mind. I really may cut my hair and say, you know what? I just wanted to be blonde for a hot second. I just wanted to be a hot girl for the summer, and that's okay. I feel okay with that. Like, I really miss myself blonde. Let me show y'all some throwbacks. My sister sent me this one the other day. She was like, girl, it's confirmation. I think it like came up on her, like, I don't know, how do you say it? I know I'm not on social media. Would they show you memories or something? Yeah. Honey, yes. I don't even think I'm gonna do it this long though. Let me show y'all something that I liked. Oh, me and baby. This was us on Christmas. Loved this length. Loved this length. Can y'all see that? Loved that length. This one. Loved this length. Love this length. Love the part. Everything. Ah, this one too. Oop, there we go. Love that one. Oh wait, you did that one already. Love that length. This was like right before my birthday. Love that length. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Oh, this is me on our book club. Loved it, loved it. I just feel like I don't need it. I don't need it. This is not serving me. It's not serving me. And I know you're saying, Ree, well, if you did it, maybe you feel better about it. Ha! I wouldn't, because I have, and I did it. I didn't. I just keep going back to wanting to cut it, and it's dead. Remember, y'all, if y'all want to cut y'all hair, it's just dead hair. Like, we care too much about, I know there's history in our hair, and you know, people feel like it connects you to spirit, and that's cool. If you feel all those type of ways, that's cool. I'm not here to tell you that you're wrong, but for me personally, I just feel like it's dead. I don't want it to have a hole on me. If I want to cut it, that's what I want to do. If I want to grow it, that's what I want to do. And I'm just thankful I have options. I have the option to do so. So I was going to take a bath with the bleach in, but I decided I'm actually going to wait to take a bath so I don't have to be interrupted by having rinsed this out. So instead, I'm going to clean. It's like, I don't know what it is, but it's like, once I get past the point of cramping real bad, I just want to clean when I'm on my period. Let me know down below if you all can relate or know what I'm talking about. So that's what I'm about to do. Clean up.